Welcome to Zenlytic. This is a high-level overview of the Zenlytic Workspace. Each one of these sections will be covered in more detail in other training videos. When you first open Zenlytic, you'll land on the chat page. This is where you would start a chat with our AI agent Zoe to start analyzing data. On the left-hand panel, there are several other options. You can search the workspace. For example, I might type product, and that will show me different subject areas that have product information. For example, I might want to load up a sales or product dashboard. Going further down the left-hand panel, we have the Explore page. This will first take you to the Topics page. Once you choose a topic, this will take you to the Explore page where you can manually select dimensions, measures, filters, chart options, etc. to build an analysis. The dashboard page will take you to all existing dashboards. You'll see your dashboards as well as dashboards created by other people that have been made shareable. The Workflows tab takes you to the Workflows page. Workflows are stored sets of instructions that generate results similar to a conversation. And if you're a developer, you'll have access to the data model editor. Here you can view and edit the underlying semantic layer, either in table format or in the raw YAML format. Further down the left-hand panel, we have the Help button. This will take you to our interactive help portal. From here, you can ask questions directly of our chat agent. For example, I asked, how do I start a chat? And it will return the appropriate information. You'll also have access to our Zenlytic documentation, and you can create a support ticket and also view any other tickets that have been created. If you're an admin, you'll have access to the Settings tab. The Settings tab is where you customize your workspace. And again, all of these topics will be covered in more detail in other trainings.